All right, so I'm thinking, should we expand the rover? Or no, sorry, not the rover. Should we build a little flying miner drone for you to go collect us up some material? Should we expand the landing pad to
I
have a
would.
refinery on it?
I think. Did you add the food and everything too?
No.
Okay. Um. I don't think it would hurt.
To turn this platform into a functioning base?
Yeah.
Okay. We're going to need a way to generate more power, and the current issue with power generation is that we are in a low atmosphere environment. So I think the wind turbines work less than if we were in a high atmosphere environment.
Environment. Right. Right. And we have no sunlight at the moment. Though, I will say we do get a decent amount of sunlight. When it's up, when the sun is
Yeah,
up.
we do. We have the full mountain range up to like Mars, and then it goes down like into the face of the second mountain range. So we've got
Yeah.
quite a while of daylight.
Yeah.
We could work on building a pretty large solar array.
That's kind of what I'm thinking might be beneficial is maybe come out from the platform or come around the platform to like over here or something and just build a massive like solar array of like maybe 4, 6, 8 panels, something like that.
We could do that, or we could also build some standing solar tracking towers.
Yeah, I'd be super good with that. I just don't know enough about the pistons and all of that in game to be able to design that.
I'm thinking, since oh, hold on, my astute energy is almost down. I'm thinking
Yeah.
since we came up the mountain from behind the rover, and
Mm-hmm.
I'm thinking once we start flying, it really won't be that big of a deal.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, if we call the front of the landing pad facing the mountain,
Okay. Yep.
then out here to the left, I'm thinking along this ridge line, we build big solar trackers and make it look kind of like a wind farm, but of solar.
So like a solar farm.
Yeah.
Yep. Sounds good. Um.
So what I'm gonna do is refill my suit energy because I didn't do that before, and then I guess start laying down just some basic steel blocks for kind of just locating the area,
Yeah.
conceptualizing. Look at me using a vocabulary. Look at that.
We don't do none of that shit.
You're right. Sorry, I'm just gonna lay out some blocks, figure out where I want it to go.
There you go. There you go.
Is that better?
That's much better. Yeah. I'm much more comfortable now.
Okay, so I'm gonna grab. Do we want these to just be connected with light armor block? Do we want them to be connected with so we can connect them with anything. I don't really care if you have like a
Yeah.
certain look you want to go for.
I'm currently connecting them with light armor blocks. The random blocks seem to fucking come apart and not be there. I don't know what the fuck happened there, but uh, I'm connecting them with light armor blocks, and I feel like if we're gonna make this a base, then we could double up on the utility and make these not just um, light armor blocks for the sake of connecting, but we can make a couple of like buildings or rooms or something out of them, you know?
Yeah. Okay, I'm digging that. Let me grab the block. How far are we going to go between supports? what looks reasonable?
I mean, I'm out, but I mean, like, I could see 5 or 6 between them, just so we're not like crazy levels of all of it. But
It's about 6 blocks, you want to say?
yeah, I mean,
Or
whatever is
sorry, let's
good.
do 5 so that way we have a dedicated center block.
Yeah, I like that. I was gonna say we could go to 7, but for the same reason. But yeah,
We can do 7. We'll do 7. Save material as well.
yeah.
Okay. And then I'm thinking the
Oh,
2
you
meter.
just did that. Okay, sweet.
What's up?
Nothing, nothing, nothing. I was doing the exact same thing, but my block is 1 off from yours. But it's easier to change mine than change yours for the 7, if that makes sense.
Do something like this, do something like that. Get some deco. Ta-da. 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 Good deal. And then I'm going to throw a triangle in there, because who doesn't love triangles?
I don't love triangles. Don't you know I'm boring? I'm just a square kind of guy.
There we go, something like that. And then I'm thinking we can put lights in these little areas. If not lights, then we can just throw some of the little connector blocks in there. Like that. That wouldn't be bad. Yeah, that's not terrible. Okay, I'm digging that. Oh, okay.
Sorry. I kind of doubted, and I noticed you were over in the direction that it was falling, and I was like, you know what? For a second, I'm going to pretend it was totally deliberate.
So I'm thinking we can probably have. So we could probably have at least 2.
Yeah,
Probably have
maybe
at
3.
least 2, maybe 3. Yeah, right here. How many blocks do we actually have? We've got because I want to keep it also spaced away from the. See, if I just put one in between every support, that wouldn't be terrible. So I'll just go ahead and place down a block as like a planned idea. Something there, something there, something there. Is that going to be enough space? I think that could work. I think that could work, and we will. Yeah, that could work. That should be enough spacing. How big is a solar panel? Is it 4
Uh,
blocks long, or is it 3 blocks long?
I think it's 4.
It is 4.
4.
Okay, so that's
Yeah.
not going to work. They're going to touch.
It's like food.
So
Wait, you can't
instead,
have that.
I will expand this out by one more unit. Shouldn't be terrible.
You need
1, 2, 3.
blocks, or I mean, steel plates.
No, I should have enough on me. I got 200.
Oh, okay, nice.
Or like I started building with 200.
No, I know what you meant. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, I don't need.
Okay, so something like that should work to get us at least 3 large panels. Yeah, that should work. Okay, and then I'll throw one out here. Yeah, that works. That works. So we're gonna have some like turrets basically that stick up, and then a rotor, and then a hinge on each of these. And I'm thinking we probably don't need to really have them all that high since their target area is over a mountain. Like they're not going to have to point up very high.
Right.
So they only need to be as tall really as they are solar panels deep. And I'm thinking if we did an array that is how many blocks do we have in between it by now? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah, we could make them you think I could fit a 4th one in here? I think 3 will be fine. 3 should be fine. We don't want to dump too many materials in there.
I mean, I don't see why we couldn't. I mean, short term would be iron issues, right, for all the materials, but I mean, at the same time, we still have a functioning rover, so we could go explore, find iron, and come back with the rover.
You're right. You're right. So at minimum, we need what, 9 blocks between them is the absolute minimum.
Is that right? Let's see. I guess it
Yeah, so I
depends
can
on
bring this.
how it depends on how you want to orient your solar panels. Because if we do them where the 4 is vertical, right, we could go up higher, which would take a little bit more steel plate, but then it would give us a lot more clearance for putting more solar panels. Because then you could just do, I think it's what, 2 wide, so then you could do 2 wide going on the horizontal axis, 2, and then whatever you need to support and rotate the solar panels, 2 for another solar panel on the other side, and that's only 6 instead of 9. And then you would have
Yeah.
a space of 1, so 7, but it's kind of like 6.5 because then you'd be able to do the next tower or whatever.
Yeah. Let me grab a solar panel. Let's see. This is how I'm thinking we lay it out. This, but like one more section tall. I just can't place it because of the the blocks, like the lights being in the way. But then a central support going down the center, and then it pivots from down here.
Okay.
Like this,
So
something like that. So that gives us 6 solar panels total per array.
Yeah. Yeah, that would be 9, and that would be potentially more juice, because I was thinking of just 4 per array, but instead of having the solar panels arrayed that way, more arrayed in parallel with the central column.
Okay, so if we did it your way and still put, you get 8 per array rather than 6.
You get 4, because it would be. Jump on here. I don't know if I've got the stuff for it, but like, let's say.
Thinking 2 up, 2 down on both sides.
Yeah. And that gives you 6.5 as far as width per tower. Which would theoretically get you 1 or maybe 2 more towers rather than 9 over 3. So 9 and 3 is 18, 6. No, 9 and 3 is 27. So you could almost get 5 with mine. And let's see, that's 3 less per tower. So that's 9 less there, making up to 20. I think the 3 with 6 panels is slightly more panels.
So in its current configuration, I would be able to fit 6, 12, 18 panels. And
18
like there's no
so
limit,
still.
obviously we could just scale it vertically since they're laying sideways.
Right, yeah.
So
Let's do
you're
that.
either looking at 18 panels or 24 panels.
And there's the sun.
Or not 24. Oh yeah, man. Yeah, because it goes up all the way over the mountain. Yeah, it's fantastic. Yeah, let's go ahead and get a panel. Let's go ahead and get one set up.
Yeah.
Let me
I've been slowly working on stuff. What do you need for panels? Steel plate, construction girders, computers. I think we're okay on some of those. Computers. Okay.
Oh, better run out of. Gotta get some more hydrogen. All right, so let's go ahead and put down rotor, hinge. All right, then we're gonna lock that one, lock that. All right, so that's 1, 2, 3. Yeah, they're gonna be some tall boys. Some tall machines. That's okay.
Well, and that's kind of why I like that you put them where you did, because it's going to be a lot easier to not interfere with that landing pad with where they are, as far as flight controls.
Yeah.
Inventory full. Inventory full.
All right, we are out of iron, so I have started dirt mining again. There's the refinery.
Okay, there's that. And then let's get a turret controller. We need interior plate for it. There's that. Okay. All right, everything except detector components, rotor part, hinge part. Okay, cool. All right, so everything except the detector components and one display. Okay, we need iron.
Yep.
Let me pull up some stone with this thing.
Yeah, I got stone going as well. I mean, you're faster than me for sure with that, but
Let me go over here. I'm gonna go ahead and bore up some of this stone. All right, how much stone is this going to be pulling up?
it pulls up a lot.
About 23K so far. All right, so it pulls up 56, 60, 62, 63. All right, so it pulls up 72K in the drill and another 9K in the survival kit. And where's the refinery? None of it is transferring to the refinery. Is something broken? Something on the ship broken?
Don't think so.
Let's see. Oh yeah, the top square piston part was broken. Needs more large steel tubes.
kind of weird.
Probably just got broken during all the mining that we've been doing.
Yeah, I'm sure. I just don't remember it being there. That's all. Or being that way, I should say.
Okay, that works out good because that means that we now have like 90K stone in production. Going to back up and plunge again. Is everything nice and looking good? Yep, everything's looking good. Okay, good deal.
We should have all the parts you need, but I've been also making things like plates and computers and so on and so forth, just so we have a supply going.
That's fine. I'm going to retract the drill, turn the drill off, and then I guess back the rover up. Actually, I'll probably just leave the rover right here, and if we need to make another dirt plunge, then I'll do it.
Yeah.
And if not, then no worry.
Then we're in good shape.
Cool. We'll let that sit right there and let that create. All right. Azimuth, hinge, elevation. Oh, actually azimuth, rotor, elevation, hinge. But it needs a camera. Forgot about that. You got a single computer on you? I do.
I was gonna say I don't, but I can get you one real quick.
No worries. And then tell this a camera to be camera. Okay.
And grab that there.
Okay, good deal. Is the hinge currently moving?
I don't think so.
Always aim at sun. Okay, it only moves if the angle is less than the current 5-degree minimum, which I think it is currently in that, I think.
Could be. I have no idea. Yeah, probably. I mean, it looks pretty dead on.
Hmm. Is this... Oh, it's because this isn't connected to the landing pad.
How is this not connected to the landing pad? Like, I've done so many times to get this thing to connect.
We will probably, if you didn't build it off the landing pad originally, like if you had a block break and it became its own station, probably have to use merge blocks to repair it.
I don't even remember where they are, but yes.
Let me go ahead and get some merge
Yeah.
blocks crafting. Also seem to need to put more storage on this thing because it looks like we're full. It's like both storage units are full.
Naturally. Naturally.
Never have enough storage.
No. Uh-uh. Concept of sufficient storage.
Oh, never mind. There's still a small cargo container that has like 30K left. That's good. That's good. Yeah, I was wondering why the thing wasn't moving, and then I realized it's because it doesn't have any power.
Yeah. Ugh. That's why I say that. Ugh.
Okay. At least this one solar panel will just power the turret to move on its own. Yeah, there we go. Look at it go. There it is.
Yep.
Doing its thing. Oh, it moves a little too jittery, though. We need to slow that way down. There we go.
I have jelly roll in my head so hard right now.
Jelly Roll. Never heard a song by him.
Really?
Yep.
He's a good, yeah, I like his music. He's good. In my sort of humble opinion.
Somewhat humble.
Somewhat humble. Not enough so you notice, but not so little that it'd get me in trouble.
Oh. There we go. Look at that.
Heck yeah.
Nice little thing going on. Look at it tracking away. All right. So, do I need to merge this thing back together?
I think that was the conclusion we came to.
Okay. Okay, so if I did everything, if that merged correctly, then this should have access to... It does not. Goodness gracious. Okay. So we're going to do a merge block here. And then since we know for a fact that is connected. Unable to place merge block. Johnny.
What?
You built the whole damn solar array at an angle.
I did what at an angle?
All right, I'm just going to connect it with connectors and not even worry about it. It's okay.
Okay. I don't even know what we're talking about.
It's all right.
What did I build?
Apparently, in all of your block breaking confusion, not only are they separate grids, but they are at different alignments.
How?
I've got no idea. So I'm just going to
So
connect them with
freaking-
connectors.
Okay. Okay. I'm so confused how that could work, but okay. So much for local grid alignment, but okay.
Let's see, and then we're going to do a piston. And another connector. Unable to place connector, okay, because this...
For the love of God, let me have that.
You've done something incredible here. I won't lie.
How? What did I do?
This is a feat of engineering I did not know was possible.
Wait, did you build a piston right here?
Yes, because I can't place the connectors against each other because there's the grids are at different angles. So like I can't just merge them with merge blocks because they don't line up.
Okay, space engineers. I mean, I'll take the heat for it, but like, I swear I had freaking local grid alignment on, so I don't know how that's possible. But okay.
Oh, we're out of iron again. Goodness gracious. I've got to build, or you've got to build, one of us have got to build a little flying miner and go get some iron.
Well, you know what
Hold
we
on, let
gotta
me.
do for that? We gotta have some iron to have steel plates to build them.
I know.
Yeah. But I will also say I did notice that we had stone in there, but it wasn't collecting and feeding in.
Like right now?
No, earlier.
Okay. Let me check all the components, make sure nothing's damaged again. All right, drill 100, piston head 100, piston 100, reinforced 100, 100, 100, 100. Everything's 100. Okay, shouldn't have any issues right now. Just for now.
Right. You know what? I'm gonna go look for some iron. Because I thought
Oh, survival level 1. Shift B to view buffs.
I don't have any
Crazy.
active buffs.
Apparently I leveled up. So my movement speed is now 104%.
Nice.
Oh yeah, dude. Wait, hold up. How fast do I run? I run at like 10.4 meters a second now. How fast do you move?
I have no active buffs, so whatever base is.
10 meters a second should be your sprint speed.
Okay. So
That's
my
neato. We got buffs now. That's pretty sick. Who doesn't love buffs? Nice. Oh, good deal. I can connect all of this shit up now. Okay, so we're gonna tell this to slowly connect. Okay. And we're gonna tell this to switch lock. Okay. All right, that's just what the connection to this thing looks like. It looks like it's a little like we plugged it in with a
Fuel
so
low.
we plugged in an electrical outlet. But now everything is connected, so we have access to everything. Which means the solar array is at the very end of the day charging the batteries. How long does it have till they charge? It says they'll be fully charged in 4 hours. So the next sun cycle will fully charge those batteries.
Okay.
Yippee, hooray.
Yeah.
I'm thinking.
Sorry.
No, you're good.
The
I'm
game
thinking.
lagged really hard.
Oh, did you just die?
No, I didn't die, but like I'm almost out of hydrogen, and like it lagged, so I have like a really deep straight hole into the ground now. Fuck.
Where are you?
At our iron, singular freaking iron
Node.
marked node.
You need me to bring you a hydrogen bottle?
That would be freaking amazing. Like, but you better bring like 2 for you and then 1 for me.
Inventory full.
Let's see. Let me turn on the GPS node. You said you were at the... Oh, send me the iron waypoint.
Yep, yep. Oh, fuck you. Sorry. The boulder of stone that I dropped tried to roll on top of me. I swear to God, this game sometimes. Alright, I'm about to put it in comms.
Okay.
There you go.
Good deal. Let's see. Where are you at? 8 kilometers away. Goodness gracious.
You said find iron. I couldn't find any iron. So I took the one I had. I was like, okay, let's get some iron.
Oh my goodness gracious. Are you on the face of this mountain or are you on the other side of this mountain?
I'm on the other side of the mountain.
Holy shit.
Inventory full.
I got iron.
You know you could have just taken the rover and scouted some iron.
Yeah, but that would take away all of our manufacturing capability.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Without iron?
Yeah.
We've traveled these lands in the rover before.
Yeah, we also had some misadventures too. I see you.
Goodness gracious. I'm deleting this waypoint when I get out of here.
It's the only iron we know of. Why?
I'm going to use the rover and scout iron nearby.
Oh, I can't pick it up. Okay, hold on.
If you need another bottle, I can give you one.
No, I need to drop a full or an empty bottle.
Give me some iron. All right. Goodness gracious.
Goodness gracious, the man says. Like I didn't just like single-handedly fix our iron shortage.
You should have taken the rover. I did not know that you were flying 10 kilometers away.
I didn't. I love how the distance keeps growing though. It's like 5, it's 6, it's 8, now it's 10.
Hundreds of miles away.
You know, I mean, at this point, I might as well have just started mining in the atmospheric, or the extra atmospheric meteors and asteroids and stuff. I mean,
I should have just
left.
got a like a sniper rifle mod, just killed you from where I stood. Just, you're like, hey, I'm kind of far away. I should have checked how far away you were and then aimed up from there because the scope wouldn't zero at that distance.
Yeah. All right. Actually, before I get too crazy.
Before I get too crazy, I'm gonna scout you some iron. I bet you there's iron within at least a kilometer of where we
Well, I'm
are.
sure there fucking was, but. And I thought we had like 4 of them marked, and then was like, oh, like there's nothing marked. Like, what the hell? Where's the rover? I don't have it pinged.
The rover?
Yeah.
Let me increase the distance of the antenna. There you go, that worked.
Nope. Oh, but yeah, that did. That did, yeah. Okay.
Okay.
So I was going
Yeah,
the right way.
deleting that 20-kilometer waypoint that you got way out there. I'm gonna
Uh-huh.
find you some iron close by. This guy.
I mean, I had to travel all that, 30, 40 kilometers, other side of the freaking world just to
Yeah.
get
70
some
kilometers away.
stupid.
We should have just went to a different POI.
No kidding.
Lots of mags, silicon, and ice right here. Nickel as well.
Yeah. Okay. And with what we have now on power generation, we can run our refinery and still be charging the batteries.
Fantastic.
So, did you find any iron?
Not yet. I'm just going down the valley right now.
Mm. So you're saying there's not a lot of iron out there, huh?
Yeah, there's no iron anywhere for 8 kilometers.
I'm gonna laugh. I would seriously laugh if like the next node was like on one of the other mountains, just from a like. It's stupid, but like vindicated.
Oh, found some mag.
I think it's the same mag node I found earlier. I'm going to go over to this little ridge line.
Ah. Running away from me.
Well, I mean, we're killing time for the nighttime.
Mm-hmm. I'm just trying to catch up to you, but you go faster than me.
You need to level up your movement speed.
Well, yeah. That would be great. You're right. I should do that.
Cobalt and iron. Here you go. Cobalt and iron. And gold.
Oh, nice.
Struck gold. Line up a little bit of snow before we just to keep powering the hydrogen engine. Make sure the hydrogen engine is on. Yeah, there we
It
go.
is. I was gonna say I don't think it is. I think we turned it off, right?
That's right. We turned it off so that way the tank could fill up. The tank is at 90%, so it's slowly getting there.
Nice.
Cool. There we go. Let's mine down and grab some iron.
Alright, I got a little mining borehole going to the iron, so.
Yeah, I'm at mining up some iron right now.
Oh, are you?
Yeah.
Fantastic.
I'm on my second inventory.
Alright, show off.
I just went in creative mode and just voxel destroyed to get down here that fast.
Well, that's what I was doing too, yeah. But I was hand drilling since I did not have.
I was using the voxel hand.
Yeah.
I'm just kidding. I didn't actually do that.
I figured.
I just used the bore hole that the rover left.
Mm-hmm.
I quite like the rover. I really like rover gameplay.
Yeah. Yeah. I don't know. It's kind of. I like it, But like at the same time, I'm also like a player that's like, okay, that's fantastic, but where's home? You know? Whereas I feel like,
Nowhere.
yeah, exactly. I was gonna say like I feel like the rover is much more of a nomad. The rover is home kind of play style.
Yeah.
So
Well, I would like to eventually build such a big rover that we can just dock it for a little while and let it be home for some air vehicles.
yeah, that'd be pretty epic.
And eventually, I would like to build such a large grid ship that it can replace the rover and we can just take off, land somewhere,
Mine
and
whatever we need and
have some
back.
smaller ships leave the big ship, then come back,
Yeah, yeah.
and then eventually go into space,
Yes.
because space is pretty cool.
I will not argue with you on that. I'm super thrilled to get into space. So
Yeah, no, then we could just start building just huge, crazy things, and you're like, I need some material. You just go mine a whole asteroid.
Detroit, right? Yeah. Like, oh, it's an ice asteroid. Okay, whatever. That's fine. We'll get the ice along with everything else. Yeah.
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 Just have like 6 large storage cargo containers.
Yep.
Okay, I deposited a bunch of iron. Did you deposit a bunch of iron?
I've deposited iron, and I'm actually coming back with another load right now.
Good deal. And we've already, I'm going to go ahead and mark this.
Yeah, I should have done that.
This is, what, gold is AG? AU.
AU.
And what else is here? There's gold, iron, cobalt.
Cobalt.
All right, cool. So while all of that is going on, all right. Do you want to head back up to the little outpost
Yeah,
and
yeah.
then stop this episode?
Sounds good to me. That works for me.
Because I assume it's probably getting close to your end of playtime.
Yeah, I should probably get dinner for me and the kids, so, and the wife and all that good jazz, so,
And the wife.
and the wife.
This guy hates his wife.
I'm telling you, I'm getting her a ticket home from Bermuda next year.
Oh, our poor little rover. Imagine if it had thrusters and it could just fly up there.
Uh-huh, uh-huh, uh-huh. We'll get there.
We will.
Hey, I had to speed boost there for a minute. We've been going downhill.
Yeah. I know, I've debated on even just putting a single thruster in the back of this thing just to aid its forward speed.
I actually now have active buffs.
Oh, good deal.
Maximum health 110, welding speed 110, grinding speed 110, movement speed 104, and oxygen jump consumption is 90.
You're right. I don't know where all of those buffs come from, like how to get them or why you get them.
Yeah, no idea.
Oh, hauler wreck. Did you see that? Out to, if you're bearing from us, our east,
Okay.
about 7 kilometers out, was a hauler wreck. Yeah, there it is.
Oh, yeah. I'm wondering if, I mean, that can't be the thing we had earlier, is it?
No, definitely new. Cool. I like this. This is a good little run. We got a solar thing made. We are building a refinery, building this into an actual base.
Yeah.
Build up some more of these panels.
Yeah. And the refinery is up and capable of running. My first iron load went into it, so we have like just under 5,750 iron.
Good deal.
So
Good deal. So we'll start welding up all the rest of this in the next one.
yeah,
And then that's when we'll start work on something that flies.
sounds good to me. I'll see you later, man.